Welcome to the world of power, precision, and performance. Presenting the TV's Apache RTR 164V, a machine designed for those who crave speed, control, and style. As it stands in this luxurious showroom, its aggressive stance immediately commands attention. Every curve, every line, every detail speaks of racing DNA refined for the streets. The Apache RTR 164V is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of dominance. Its muscular tank, sharp headlamp, and aerodynamic bodywork reflect the spirit of a true racing machine. The LED headlamp with signature DRLs gives it a beastly glare, ready to conquer the roads ahead. The sculpted tank with bold graphics not only adds to its aggressive look but also provides a confident grip, ensuring stability at high speeds. This is a motorcycle built to deliver an unmatched riding experience. Underneath its striking exterior lies a powerful heart, a race-tuned 159.7cc, oil-cooled, fuel-injected engine that delivers an exhilarating riding experience. With best-in-class power, the Apache RTR 164V produces a thrilling 17.55 PS at 9,250 RPM and 14.73 Nm of torque at 7,250 RPM. This ensures quick acceleration, seamless overtakes, and a top speed that leaves its competitors behind. The refinement of the engine ensures smooth performance, whether cruising through city traffic or pushing the limits on open highways. The exhaust note of the Apache RTR 164V is music to the ears of any biking enthusiast. The race-inspired double-barrel exhaust not only enhances the bike's aesthetic appeal but also delivers a deep, throaty roar that amplifies the racing DNA. The instant throttle response and linear power delivery ensure that every ride is a thrilling experience. Performance is not just about power, it's also about control. The Apache RTR 164V features an advanced race-tuned fuel injection system, ensuring precise throttle response and superior mileage. The advanced slipper clutch allows for aggressive downshifts while maintaining stability, making it perfect for both spirited rides and daily commuting. The ride quality is further enhanced by the telescopic front forks and a monoshock suspension at the rear, engineered for superior handling and comfort. Whether carving corners or tackling uneven roads, the suspension setup ensures the perfect balance between agility and stability. The chassis is designed with mass centralization in mind, offering exceptional maneuverability in all conditions. Braking is just as important as acceleration, and the Apache RTR 164V excels in this department with its high-performance disc brakes. Equipped with a pedal disc brake at the front and rear, it offers precise braking with excellent heat dissipation. The inclusion of single-channel ABS ensures enhanced safety, preventing wheel lockups and allowing riders to maintain control in emergency braking situations. Technology is at the heart of the Apache RTR 164V. The fully digital instrument cluster offers a wealth of information at a glance. The race-inspired blue backlit display provides real-time data, including top speed recorder, lap timer, gear position indicator, and turn-by-turn navigation. The SmartXconnect technology enables smartphone connectivity, allowing riders to access ride analytics, call notifications, and more through the TV's Connect app. The seating position is designed for both comfort and aggression. The slightly raised clip-on handlebars, rear-set footpegs, and contoured seat create an ergonomic triangle that supports long rides without fatigue. The split-seat design ensures a sporty look while providing superior comfort for both rider and pillion. The Apache RTR 164V is available in stunning color options that complement its racing pedigree. Each shade enhances the aggressive styling, making it a head-turner wherever it goes. From matte black to racing red, every color choice represents a different facet of its bold personality. Efficiency meets performance with an impressive fuel economy that ensures fewer stops and more time on the road. The fuel injection system optimizes combustion, providing a perfect blend of power and mileage. Whether navigating city streets or hitting the highways, the Apache RTR 164V delivers efficiency without compromising on excitement. With a strong legacy of racing excellence, the TV's Apache RTR series has set benchmarks in performance biking. Each model is a result of rigorous testing, precision engineering, and continuous innovation. The Apache RTR 164V embodies this legacy, bringing track-inspired performance to the streets. The luxurious showroom enhances the experience of witnessing this machine in all its glory. The premium ambiance, the well-lit display, and the sleek surroundings complement the Apache's sophisticated yet aggressive persona. The name TV's Apache RTR 164V displayed boldly on the wall reinforces its legendary status in the world of motorcycles. Every aspect of this bike is designed for the thrill seekers, the speed enthusiasts, and the ones who refuse to settle for the ordinary. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner stepping into the world of performance biking, the Apache RTR 164V offers an experience like no other. As the spotlight falls on this masterpiece, it's clear that the Apache RTR 164V isn't just another motorcycle, it's an emotion, a lifestyle, a passion. It redefines what it means to ride with power, precision, and unrelenting performance. For those who dare to push limits, for those who seek the thrill of the open road, and for those who believe that every ride should be an unforgettable adventure, the Apache RTR 164V is the ultimate choice. Experience the rush, feel the adrenaline, ride the legend,